Hello everyone and welcome back to a new live stream on our channel. Today we are trading the S&P 500 as always, and welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining this great live stream where we trade together and analyze the S&P 500 together. So I hope everyone is doing well. I hope everyone's day is going good. Okay, so as you guys can see these days, the market is quite not so volatile as we always expect it to be. The main reason is because this is the last week of trading this contract. And as you guys know, when it's the last week, the market could be potentially less volatile than we expect it to be, as always. So people are settling their contracts right now, and that's the main reason why this market could be potentially less volatile and less active, as you know. So if you guys have any idea, any question you want to ask me in the comment section, you can just let me know, and that will gladly help each one of you understand deeply what's the reason why the market is actually less volatile. So as I said, the main reason is because we are reaching the final uh, week of settling this June contract, but that is started in March, and now we are going into the new contract of September, right? So the September contract will start soon, and then the market is expected to go back to another to trade normally. So mostly when it's summer, the market is not trading so well. I think the traders take some time to rest. The big traders take some time to chill, to meet, see their families, and to enjoy their life. They cannot be trading every single day, and you can see that the market would be quite less, less, let's say, well, potentially less volatile than we always expect it to be. And as I said, once we settle to the new contract, well, the market could potentially go back to how it was before. But for now, it would be a bit less volatile. You can see that the market would not be trading so much. It's a market that would be more or less volatile, and we should expect it to go back to normal in the next upcoming days. Is Dexdia here? Let me see. No, he's not here yet. You gotta wait for Mr. Dexdia to enter. Let me add the comments option here. I gotta add my comments. I don't know how you add the comments actually. I wanna find out how you do it because I have no idea. So how do you add those comments? I don't know how it works actually. No idea. Does any one of you have any idea how to add YouTube comments here? Because I've got no idea how to do it. Like, I want to add YouTube comments in OBS Studio, but no idea how this thing works actually. So I'm trying to find out how to do it. Hopefully I find it soon. But till now I think it's something very hard to find. Comments, there's no YouTube chat here. Yeah. So I have no idea how to find them. Maybe if I do this here like this, go to my channel. Yeah. Oh, I cannot take it to the other screen. Yes, I can. Okay, this is how I'm gonna watch it. So here we are starting this live stream, guys, and if you do have any questions, you can just let me know in the comment section, okay? So let's see how the market is behaving today. Oh my god, I took a position by mistake. No, I didn't ask for it. Okay, I need to add the short scroll. Okay, it's good now, but I still need to get my new data here because there's no data yet. Gotta add the data first and then see what's going on in this trading day. So as I said, the market would be less volatile these days. Just waiting for the new contract to drop. So the September contract, then we're gonna switch and we're going to see a better market to trade. But as I said, for this week, it's going to be like this for a while. It's gonna be a market that's less volatile. It's going to be a market that goes up and down. Nothing too good about it. But once we switch to the other contract, trust me, it's going to be so different. We're gonna go back to trading normally. But these days are just not for trading. So if you're still a beginner, the best thing you can do is to actually take a rest. Go learn something new about trading. Go figure out stuff. But don't trade. Because trust me, you're gonna hate trading. Basically, you're gonna hate it. You're gonna think that this is actually, I don't know, not my thing. You're gonna say something like this because when I traded in my first days, I traded all days, and I was like, no man, am I just going to keep losing every day? Like, come on, there needs to be a solution because I thought it was my mistake, but eventually the mistake is the it's not the market mistake, but it's actually just traders are not available as they always do. And the main reason is, as I said, they're settling their contracts now. They're not trading them anymore. They're not speculating. They're eventually just setting the contracts to the people that were interested in. Because I already explained the futures concept for you guys. If you remember, if you didn't, just go watch one of my latest videos where I explained what's a future market. So you need to understand it basically, so you can learn and know what what's eventually what is settling a contract, because you need to know this term if you're trading in the financial market. It's very very important. It's gonna help you a lot, not really too much, but you just have to have an idea about what a settling contract is. So you need to know what does settling a contract means if you want to advance in your trading. But for now, as you can see, this market is quite so not volatile. It's just going up and down and not doing anything serious. So we just have to wait for it to get better and then take our positions. So as I said, guys, till now the market is not doing anything interesting. So it's just going up and down. But yeah, maybe you can find a position here. It's going down for a while. We've been on this level 7,020, 7,420 something yesterday, and we are back to this level again. So we just expected to get to I'm not really expecting something like to be frank with you guys. I'm not expecting the market to get better at all. So we're just gonna see, we're just gonna analyze. If there are some good positions, I mean, they happen. Like, it doesn't mean the market would be bad the whole time. It's just that it's not going to be intense as the level we always expected it to be. So it would do some stuff, but also not do anything. And the best thing is wait for a good position. If it's there, take it. If it's not, then maybe just patiently wait for it to get better, then take your position later. Dix Dia, finally, Dix Dia is here, guys. The best trader in the world, Mr. Dix Dia arrived. So we were waiting for the genius, the brilliant, great Dix Dia. So he just won the Premier League with Arsenal 2 days ago, or 3 days ago, I suppose. But now he is here trading the market. Tomorrow you might find him do something else. Maybe he would have his defense thesis on a PhD about something in Harvard University, and then you'd see him playing a professional tennis competition in the weekend. So this is Dix Dia. He does literally everything. He's like the cartoon guy in a Gumball. You know the guy in Gumball who does everything. Like he works in the supermarket. He works as pizza delivery guy. He does everything. And that's basically Dia. Like Dia said everything. Dia said everything. He did everything. He studied everything. He eventually won everything. So he's also the president of Germany at the same time. And he came to a president of a certain country 2 weeks ago, and he told him like, uh, "Can you chill for a while? Like let us sell cars." Oh, he doesn't have time for us. He's not answering my question. Maybe he's busy talking to some world leader or something. So as you guys can see here, we always had 5,600, 6,000. Now the highest number is 1,000 on the volume profile. That just tells you that this market is very low in volatility. So if you want, we can explore the Nasdaq instead. So let's see how the Nasdaq is doing. Oh, I need to add the Nasdaq contract. Yeah, that is the old one, I think. NQ. Yes, it's not here. You can also check the Euros one, for example. Oh, they're both loading. That's gonna take us a lot of time. Which one is this? Yeah, that is Euro one. Let's switch to the Euro also here. Oh, the Euro stopped trading. Oh, so this is the Euro. Yeah. But I don't see the depth of market on the right and left. What's the reason for that? Let me just come back to my S&P 500. That's better. No, what's happening? Okay, let's wait for the market to load. Dix D, are you still here? Oh yeah, so we're back to the S&P 500. Yeah, that's better. Those market don't want to load, so we're just gonna stay in our market. So this is a good position, I think. Yeah. Yeah, we didn't get there on time. That was 1950. It's around here. It's alright. That was probably the most tradable position in today's market because the conditions are not there. Basically, they're not met. They're not met today. So the best thing is we should wait for the market to get better, then take our trade, or just give up. Basically, just give up and not take any trade. I mean, that's gonna be better. At least we're not losing money. So that was a good position. If someone got his position around this level, as you can see, it went directly to the POC of the last one, this reversal candlestick, and then it also gave us minus 8 in delta, but then the market went up. So that was actually a good position. If anyone took that position, that would have been a good thing. That's a good thing actually. Yes, but it's trading really, really, really slow. It's really slow right now. It's not really uh, moving so fast. It's just a market that's going slowly up and slowly down. So we just have to wait. We just have to wait for it to get better and then take our position later. Oh, so we had a breakout. Let's see what's gonna happen. We just had a breakout here. Let's see what's going to happen next. Okay, I think I will take mine here. Let's see if the market is going to reward us. Okay, that's good. Keep going. Okay, that's good. So that's how you trade this type of markets. Just wait for the perfect moment and then take your trade. See, like we took ours right now. We got 2 points. That's a good thing. In one contract, that's $100. In two, that's 200. And to get such a position in a market that's not really volatile, that is actually a good thing. Okay, so we got 1.75. Okay, so what is the position we trade? First of all, we had the market that was going down, so we had the swing low. The market kept going down. Here, the market gave us a reversal. So green candle with a big tile, and inside that tile, we had our POC. You had the POC at this level with a minus 9 delta. Also, if you can see the mean delta, that was minus 160. So we went from 160 to minus 9, minus 160 to minus 9. Then the market went up. So they gave us two good candlesticks, by the way. So the first one was a delta of 132, and the second one was a delta of 100. And as you can see, we got three imbalances on these two candlesticks, and then we got out of the position. We took it exactly at this level, or 1575, which is around here. So we took our position here, and we left at 15. What is 15? Oh, and we left at 1750, exactly here, before the market went down. So that's a good position actually. That was a good position. And these are the trades you should look for when you are trading. So look for such setups, and trust me, you are going to succeed. Okay, so we had so many imbalances here. Here we can see we had three candlestick charts, at the same level, and then all of them gave us, two of them gave us delta divergence, three actually, that was three delta divergences, and then the market went up. So here, as again, we can see a lot of candles, a lot of PLCs at this level, 1950, I suppose, or 1975. Let's see what the market will do once we reach that level once again. So we're gonna watch it out and see if it's gonna be a good trade around that level. So I think the market is doing quite well right now. I mean, it's actually moving at least. So we moved from 15 to 21 in not too much time. That's a good thing. So let's wait for it and let's see what is it going to do next, and then we'll take our position when it gets better. So if you have any setup, we're gonna trade it, we're gonna trade it, and yes, that's it. So there's quite a lot of volume right now. As you can see, the volume is getting better, especially here. Here we had this good red, red candle and red delta, like mean delta, max delta and delta are equally the same. So we expect the market to get better and maybe take our position at the time. So let's just wait and see what's gonna happen next. So let me search of when the new contract will start. S&P futures September contract. Still cannot find the answer I'm looking for it. When does SIP start? Yes, I couldn't find an answer for it. I couldn't find an answer for it. So they said, so there is still time for it to expire, but the market is not so volatile these days. because I think they're waiting for something. They're waiting for, oh yes, yes, I was waiting for you, Mr. Diggs. So tell me, why is the market not volatile these days? I was asking people, but nobody knows the answer. I don't even know the answer. AI doesn't know the answer, but I suppose Mr. Diggs Diaz knows the answer, especially after having a great talk with one of the most important people on the phone calls, Mr. You know his name. So, what was the call about? You can tell us, please, if it's possible. We need to cover that in the news. We need to let people know what the talk was about. We are all very, very interested in knowing what your phone call was all about. That would be a great, great thing. Are you tired? Did he make you tired? Oh, okay, okay, okay. Emirati dirhams. I see, I see, I see. So what did you do? I can give it to you though. I can give it to you. If you didn't find it yet, I can give it to you, but just keep it with you. Don't give me the money yet until you give it to me when you have it in the bank, okay? I will send it to you, Mr. Dix. Bro, you didn't ask me. You didn't ask me. Bro, I can send it to you. How about I send it to you right now? Mr. Dix Diaz shouldn't be looking for people to send him stuff, you know? He is the smartest, richest guy on the planet. So that's a bit unfamiliar situation to hear. It's something that we don't hear every day. And okay, 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 I'll send it to you later. But we have been waiting for your questions. Please drop some interesting questions for these great people in the comment section. We'll be very, very interested in hearing all of your interesting questions, okay? So I've been waiting for you for a while, and it's good to see you back, okay? It's very great to see you back here. We have been waiting. All the people here have been waiting in a way. They were so excited that they couldn't wait more for you to join, okay? You should know this, by the way. All the people here are waiting for you. Everyone is waiting outside, saying, oh, where is Dixdia? Where is Dixdia? Why is Dixdia not here today? So you made the situation a bit tense today. We had to call police, we had to call security, so they can calm the situation for a bit, because it was getting out of control. But luckily you're here now, and it's great to have you, okay? It's great to have you here, Mr. Dix. I think that people can get a life if they want. Oh, no, no, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. But you cannot say this to your fans. I'm actually uh, I'm very, very, very disappointed. I didn't expect you to say something like this. I didn't expect you to say something like this, because um, I always thought you had massive respect to your fans, because in the end, they are the ones that give you the fame. Like, you should know this, Mr. Dix. It's really something that I was never expecting to come out of your mind. And you need to provide an official apology before the fans get mad, okay? And you need to delete this comment as soon as possible. I mean, the people were waiting for you, and in the end, you tell them such thing. Trust me, you're gonna lose all the respect you. It is hard to do it tomorrow. What is it hard? To get alive? Or what? So as XDia said, guys, it's very hard to get a life tomorrow. That's going to be a very hard thing to do. So if you want to get one, just go and get it now before tomorrow, okay? Guys, everyone is going to stop respecting Mr. Dixdia, especially after words that were never expected to come out of his mind, of his mouth. So he proudly insulted the fans, but I think there must be some something into it because I know Dixdia and I know he cannot say such a thing to his fans. There might be some misunderstanding that made him say such things. So trust me, guys. Do not believe it. Do not believe that. Keep loving Dix Dia. Keep supporting him every day, and don't just stop respecting him right now. Oh, okay, 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 okay. I understand. But what is hard to get tomorrow? I don't understand. Is it life? Is it hard to get life? We're right. You left. No, guys, Dix Dia is not okay today. I think Dix Dia is facing some problems. Maybe someone hacked Dix Dia's account because he he is more respectful than this. I think someone got into Dix Dia, guys. If someone can please go and check on Dix Dia, please do as soon as possible before some bad things happen. Maybe he is kidnapped or something. We have no idea. We have no idea, but we need to get urgent news about whether Dix Dia is facing something right now because we are very, very scared. We don't want some bad thing to happen to him. So maybe it's the person who kidnapped him that is talking to us right now. It's maybe not him because I don't think it's him. A life is hard to get tomorrow. So Dix Dia is dropping philosophy. So yes, official news, guys. Dix Dia is not kidnapped. He's alive. He's giving us a bit of his psychology taste right now, philosophy taste. So he is still alive and safe. So a life is hard to get. So the main reason to state such thing is that when you think you are here, but when you don't think you are not here. So as Descartes said, I think, therefore I am. What does it mean exactly? So getting alive is all about thinking. When you think you are here, when you think you are. Same thing as Dix Dia said. So when you are getting alive, so what does alive mean? So if I want to say what does getting alive means actually, like it's a very, very complex thing. So can you explain to us what does uh, getting alive actually means? Because wait, let me answer you the question right now. I'm still getting my thought uh, all together so I can answer your question. Because it's a very intense question, because it can be unpacked as a commentary or existential focus and the meaning we assign to our actions, especially uh, of regarding to society, individually. So it's usually a casual insult. Like, are you living intentionally or just life pass you by? So what does it mean? Getting a life is a society's way to say stop investing energy in trivial or self-destructive pursuits and orient yourself toward meaningful stuff. It's a nudge toward purposeful living, the kind Socrates might hint at when he says an examined life is not worth living. It's all about self-awareness, recognizing whether what you spend your time on enriches your existence, relationships, or mind, versus being a distraction. So it's almost like a call to existential authenticity. Because they say, as Jean-Paul Sartre once said, choose actions that reflect your own values, not just idle obsession or conformity. Oh, oh, you're mixing, you're mixing. Well, I'm about to end the live, so you can go and mix. Guys, I think Dix Dia is a bit irrespectful today. Something we need to check with Dix Dia. Maybe we can burn him or sell him right now. So Dia's stock is being down. So as you can see, guys, this is Dix Dia, and his stock is going down because of the comments he made today. So he first of all insulted the fans, and then he said, I will put you on mute, which made Dix Dia stock go down. This is something that was not expected. We were expecting the stock to go up, but he is actually being disrespectful today. So what do you guys think? Should we sell Dexdia? Let's sell him. Let's sell Dexdia. I'm going to sell Dexdia. So right now Dexdia is sold. Oh, I'm getting profit actually. Let's go keep getting down. Okay guys, so I have sold Mr. Dexdia. He is officially sold right now. Okay guys, so we have came to the end of the live stream. Thank you so much for watching this live stream today. I really appreciate having you all here, and I hope all of you have a great good night. Thank you and goodbye.